Hello, in this video I will show you how to convert an existing version 2 sample from YG into version 2.5. The deployment method has changed from version 2.5 up. So you have to convert existing samples to this new methodology. In the previous version 2 installation, you were receiving YG framework reference in your templates. But today, with the latest version, it's no more the case. So when you install, you need to first install the executable. Once it is installed, you get the reference to NuGet package. We will see how you can convert it. I take an example here with this sample UI containers project, which is written for version 2, and we will see how we can adapt this easily to get it running in the new version. So the solution is opened here, and you see that we have an error for the YG DLL, which is missing. So we want to install the package, NuGet package, which is installed locally here, because you see that you have two NuGet sources. The one which is filled when you install the executable, and the other one which is online NuGet. So we want to install our solution, our package to our solution. So I will show you. Actually, there is no dependency declared, but there is effective one. So if you install, you will see that it's complaining that it cannot install because of the version of the framework. So the first thing to do is to be sure that you have the 4.8 framework reference for the project. Let's do it one by one. And then you will see that we will do it again, and the problem disappears. So now when I go and I request the NuGet package to be installed for the solution, it's installing. Clearly, we still have our references to the old DLL, which will need to be removed. But we have also an extension, and the extensions can be, in this case, it's for desktop application. So I will manage the package for this project. And instead of taking it, because the extensions are not installed locally, you have to go online, and then you can search for this extension Cool Clock, and you see that online you have Cool Clock 2, which is in the version we have installed our framework. Then I can install it here. The installation is done, and now I can go to each reference, remove, because here you see that you have a package reference coming from NuGet for the framework itself and for the extension. So we can remove the old references, remove it also for that one. And let's start this desktop. It's a virtual desktop sample, so it's nice to see this virtual desktop in action. So you see that the project is now running. Otherwise, we would have received errors. So you see that you have floating windows. You can maximize, you can minimize, and you get here the icons to enter the windows. I hope this helps you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.